So I'm in here buttoning up the dash on Martin's Sunbeam. And I noticed, and it's funny because it's the first time I've really noticed it. This is seriously just black cardboard someone wedged up here to fill in. Wow. I didn't notice it before, being upside down under the dash, kind of getting all the wiring out and rerouted. But now that I'm in here and staring at everything with a little more time and detail, good God, what are people thinking here? Just out of curiosity. But dash is coming together. A lot of red overspray I notice now on the chrome and on the vinyl here. But it's coming together. I just gotta slide a couple switches in and make some connections, and all this is done. Go back to the back and the underside and finish all that up. We are on schedule. We got functioning gauges. We got fuel gauge. I gotta still wire up back there. Ignition lamp is on. Main beam lamp is on because the headlights are on. See it on my car. That was a mess. What else we got functioning? Just a few more wires down here, and then it's time to wrap up the back. And then we'll circle back into here with the radio hot mess. So I'm chasing the last bit of wiring, and there's a red with green and a black, and that would be the map light. This car doesn't even have a map light in it. It was probably up where the cardboard mess was at one point. Now that I see all that cardboard nonsense, I'm really wishing I ripped the whole dash out of this thing. But we got to get it done so Martin can drive it. Maybe the next phase or down the road we can take that out and do some things a little bit more correct and maybe put a map light back in. So I'm going to wrap the map light wires. Don't mind my sweat stains, it's 1,000 degrees in here. Wrap up the map light wires, get them tucked up so they're not going to arc on anything, and then I'm going to get the last of this electrical fun time out, because there's some interesting stuff here going in the column as well that we need to wrap up. And of course the harness did not come with this, so we have to make do with what we have for now. All right, we got left turn signal. Let's flip our little handle. Come on. Right turn signal. That took forever, but we got it figured out now to where those don't just stay on all the time. I swear this thing's been a hack mess from the get-go, and I am doing everything in my power so it's drivable by Thursday afternoon.